cute, nice shape. Like, damn, Mash, like, what is this? Hello everybody, my name is Ilse, coming at you from hobbykr.com with another video. Today I have another build with me and review of the Petitrits Mash plastic model shielder. I built and reviewed the Alter Jean 3 weeks ago, and I will leave that down below if you would like to see that. But I wanted to make another video of Mash just because I have fun filming kind of like the build with me videos. I don't think I'll do piece by piece, but I'll show you kind of like the process of building, and then I will tell you my review of the model kit. If you were wondering, this cost me 12,601. I think that is around $10 US, so it's really, really cheap. But if you watched the Jean video, you would know that these are really tiny, so you're kind of getting what you pay for. But still, I love Mash. She's so cute. If you're watching Fate Go Babylonia, the anime, it's so cute. Like, I feel like we're reaching max Mash cuteness with that anime. I love it. So without further ado, let's get building. Here she is. Like I said before, I love the box design. Here we have the side. And here we have this side. This side. And the Type Moon seal, which I love. So here we have the components. Oh, Mash's hair is really pastel. It looks really pretty. I think it feels even less chunky than the Jean one. And here we have her stand. Oh, this looks really cool. So as before, it's really small, really not many parts. It looks like it has even less parts than the Jean one. And here we have the instructions manual, very small, very practical. And I'm sure it seems like it will be even easier to make Mash than to make Jean. Because as well, we don't have the horrible stickers like for the shield like I had for Jean's banner, so it probably will be easier. So here are the stickers. Unlike with Jean, there's really not many stickers. The eyes are stickers just like before, and here we have the two others. So it's not gonna be as painstaking for me because I really suck at taking off stickers. So we have the finished head here. I love that they added the hair detail here. I think she looks really great. This was really easy to assemble. I think the eye looks good. Yeah, it took me like 30 seconds to do it. And I think the texture of the stickers here is different from the one with the Jean. I prefer this one. It feels more papery. But yeah, I really like the head and I really love the hair detail here. All right, so here I have the torso. Really cute, nice shape. Like, damn, Mash, like, what is this? And we have the arms, super cute. Look at this hand. Oh, these are adorable. So we have the arms. There's only one hand option for each arm. So far, this is much easier to assemble than Jean, even though this is really small pieces as well. My biggest complaint with the Jean one was that like the pieces were impossible at times, but this is being really simple. This really hasn't taken me a long time at all, and I think that it's much easier to assemble than Jean. I can't get over this shape. What even is this? She has like that, you know that meme where the girl is like, does your girl have this spine disease because they're trying to make their ass look so big? This is giving me those vibes. Okay, here I have the legs. They are adorable. Here we have the shoe. These have been so easy to make. I'm pretty much done with the body. There's really not much else that I have to do. So now we're just gonna make the shield and put her in the base and we will be pretty much done. So far I've enjoyed making this way more than I enjoyed making Jean. And here we have her. She looks great. Oh, I really like this kit. It's just been super easy. She looks amazing with that super good mesh body. I really, really like it. Let's put her shield together. So here we have, yeah, this stand is a bit flimsy. I think it's really fragile when you actually put it on there. So I'm gonna kind of like pose her up, show you how she looks, and then give you my final review. So here we have her. The stand is a little bit flimsy, so be careful with her. I think I'm just gonna put her on the dresser and just let her be. But I loved this kit way more than the Jean Alter kit. It was really fast, really easy to make. Jean took me a long time for some reason, but this one was just so simple, and I think the end product is awesome. I think she looks great. And it's perfect for those of you who like plastic models like me, but don't really have the patience, time, or interest to really spend a long time getting to them. So I highly recommend this one, even over the Jean. And I kind of like how she looks more than Jean too. But overall, I highly recommend the kit. Super cheap, super easy to assemble, fun, and the end product is awesome. Just keep in mind that she is kind of like not super secure on the stand. I think the shield is like a little bit too heavy for her, but overall I really like her. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please take a look at my other merch and figure and assembly videos that I've done, and I will see you next week with a new video. And I will be doing the new models as they come out, but I think the next release of these is in February of next year, so we'll have to wait a little bit. But until then, thank you and goodbye.